Most Americans are surprised to learn just how many hidden secrets the human body holds. For example, during pregnancy, a woman's heart actually increases in size to handle the extra blood flow needed for her growing baby. This heart remodeling is experienced by millions of women in the United States every year, yet it's rarely discussed outside of medical circles. Another surprising fact is that your stomach completely renews its lining every 3 to 5 days. This rapid regeneration protects you from the powerful acids that break down your food. So, the stomach you have today is not the same one you had last week. Many Americans believe we only have 5 senses, but science now recognizes at least 9. In addition to sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch, you have proprioception, which tells you where your body parts are, equilibrioception for balance, thermoception for temperature, and nociception for pain. These extra senses work together every second to keep you safe and coordinated. Your liver is another powerhouse, performing more than 500 different functions and able to regenerate up to 75% of its tissue. In the United States, greater awareness of liver health could help prevent thousands of cases of liver disease each year. Understanding these lesser-known facts can help Americans and Canadians appreciate just how remarkable the human body truly is.